This Farm to Fork segment is sponsored by Netafim.
I'm here with Kirk Squire, Grower Relations with Horizon Nut. Kirk, it's good to see you. How you doing?
Good, Rich. How are you?
I'm good. I know you're right in the middle of all this. It's super busy, but walk me through the process. Once we've shaken the pistachios out of the tree and they come here, what's the process they have to go through to then be a finished product?
So once the growers shake the pistachios off the trees, they come in trucks. Then they go through our huller, which, as you see, the machine's out here. So that peels off the soft hull off the outside of the pistachio. Then from there, it goes through a float sink tank, and they're separated between the lighter ones and the heavier ones. And then those all go to different dryers. They're dried down to between 5 and 7% moisture, and then they go to silo, and they're stored until we need them in Tulare.
Now, what are you looking for when a truck rolls in? I mean, how do these things get sorted, separated, and graded?
So what they're looking for is stain issues, insect issues in them. So once they're dried down, then they go into the QC lab. And in the QC lab, then they sort them out and they grade them based on all the different defects, which is the different stains, the insect, and those things.
Now, as big as this operation is here at Horizon, how many growers do you have to deal with in person?
So we deal with about 50 growers here.
Okay. And what kind of volume is that now running through the plant?
So here at Horizon, we can do about 60 million pounds today, and we've got an expansion mode and process.
Once they've gone through this plant now and then they go to the other operation, can you take stuff not only from here but other aspects of the industry then and kind of get in cahoots with other people to handle the processing side of it?
So we take our product from here and we go to Tulare with it, and then that's where we do the hand sorting, roasting, salting, and packaging.
Okay. Now, depending on growers, you get to see everything. Are there growers that really make that big of a difference out here in the industry as to what the quality looks like?
Absolutely.
How do you know then as far as which grower, what field, that kind of thing?
So every load is identified with an identity number, and at that point, then we can track every pound from every field all the way through to the end user.
All a part of the quality control to make sure you know that every pound that came through, how good that quality is for the end user like me.
Yes, absolutely.
We're going to bring you some more from Horizon Nut that actually, once it goes from this raw side and goes into the processing side, you can see what it takes to get to the plate. For Farm to Fork, I'm Rich Krebs.